Hello sir, my name is
Hello.
Harigar Sudan.
Actually, I'm Mohammed Sikandar.
Sir, since morning I'm roaming in this Kodisha stall. When I came here, I saw these robots. It brought me to ask this question to you. Especially, what are all the safety measures and ethical consideration you are taking for human and robotic surrounding interaction?
Okay. Actually, I'm Mohammed Sikandar, technical sales engineer for
Technical
robotics
sales engineer.
in Ashbag Info Controls. Actually, we the Ashbag are like complete turnkey solution providers.
Okay.
We provide a turnkey solutions for like in automations and in robotics. As you asked, in particularly in robotics, safety measure is very important thing. For example, here Ashbag deals with Cobot. Cobots are the collaborative robots that provide 100% safety measures.
Okay.
But if we go to robots require fencings. So because it can damage the human or some other else. So it needs some safety ensured measures and sensors to ensure all the safety measures. For this, now people are started adapting and got awareness by this, and they are started adapting by using collaborative robots.
Collaborative robot. That means Cobot.
Yeah, Cobot. Actually, we Ashvac deals with cobots. We deals with a brand called Dobot. Dobot is a brand. They have like collaborative robots. We are the authorized distributor for Dobot. Yeah. For this, actually, we have two segments, which is industrial and commercial segments. In industrial segments, let us consider this. This is a collaborative robot. It can predict the collision and stop its functionality. Example, yeah, it can
Wow,
stop.
nice.
It is like a desktop size collaborative robot, Dobot. Its payload like 500 grams. So it is with the like collaborative technologies. This can be used for like pick and place application, machine tending application, for drug pharma industries, so for various applications. So it can be easily like programmed. It can be programmed through programming languages, and it can be programmed like this blocky codes. And also there is a new option called like a drag and teach. Just we can like make a drag and teach so that it can be adapted and it can do the application repeatedly. So yeah, by this I can 100% say that human safety can be given with this kind of collaborative robot.
You mean that the Cobot is human friendly?
Yeah, sure. That's human. As name defines, it's collaboratively work with humans.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
It makes a lot of sense.